Making money with stock trading and investment involves a combination of strategies, knowledge, and risk management. Here are some key approaches and tips to consider. 1. Educate yourself. Understand the market. Learn about how stock markets operate, different types of securities, and market indicators. Study investment strategies. Familiarize yourself with various approaches such as value investing, growth investing, and technical analysis. 2. Set clear goals. Define your objectives. Determine your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon, short-term versus long-term. Develop a plan. Create a structured investment plan that outlines your strategies and the types of stocks you want to invest in. 3. Choose the right investment strategy. Value investing. Look for undervalued stocks that have strong fundamentals. Growth investing. Invest in companies expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to their industry or the overall market. Dividend investing. Focus on stocks that pay dividends for a steady income stream. Day trading. Buy and sell stocks within a single trading day to capitalize on short-term price movements. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments. Avoid putting all your money into one stock or sector. Diversify across different industries and asset classes to reduce risk. Consider index funds or ETFs. These can provide broad market exposure and reduce the risk associated with individual stocks. 5. Utilize technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis. Analyze stock price movements using charts and indicators to make trading decisions. Fundamental analysis. Evaluate a company's financial health, earnings, revenue growth, debt levels, to determine its value. 6. Stay informed. Follow market news. Keep up with economic indicators, company earnings reports, and geopolitical events that can impact stock prices. Continuous learning. Attend workshops, read books, and follow market experts to enhance your knowledge. 7. Practice risk management. Set stop-loss orders. Limit potential losses by setting sell orders at predetermined prices. Avoid emotional buying/selling. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. 8. Utilize technology trading platforms. Use reliable trading platforms with tools for analysis, charting, and tracking your investments. Robo-advisors. Consider automated investment services that create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance. 9. Monitor your investments. Regular reviews. Periodically assess your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay flexible. Be willing to adapt your strategies to changing market conditions. 10. Be patient and disciplined. Long-term perspective. Successful investing often requires patience. Avoid reacting to short-term market volatility. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and avoid chasing fads or hot tips without proper research. Conclusion: making money in stock trading and investment requires a solid understanding of the market, a well-thought-out strategy, and a commitment to ongoing education and risk management. Remember that all investments carry risks, and it's essential to invest only what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel for more videos and click the below links.